man. What's your name, by the way?
Jeffrey, by the way.
Jeffrey?
Jeffrey.
Denzel.
Denzel. Brother, bro.
Nice to meet you, man. I think I should have vlogged, man. Right around with the Ricks.
Come on, man. You do that, bro.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Right around in Ricks is crazy, but you know what I mean? Anything for the fit. What's going on, brother? How you feeling? Doing all right, man. Ooh. Walking around. Nice turnout. People come out to these events, man. It's fun. It is October 1st, so summer's over, but as you can see, there's still got a lot of people out here, man. Nice Hayabusa. Zx6r. That bike doesn't look that much bigger than the Zx6. You guys come around. Oh, CF Moto. CF Moto. I was going to get one of these. Or the dealership that sold that Zx6r from me, they were trying to get me to buy a CF Moto. I was like, I don't know if I want to do CF Moto because it's my first bike and I haven't heard too many good things about them or anything at all about them, so I ended up not getting it. Lots of GX10s, lots of gas, MT-07s. I think that's a R7 or R1? Oh, that's an R1M. Pretty sick. Anyways, I'm about to go inside, get my little snacky snacks like usual. We won't get on our way, merry, merry way. Yeah, man. I'm surprised at how many people still show up to these things, and it is quite literally October 1st, peak fall weather. This guy's mad comfortable on his bike, no back problems at all. Backpack. I thought you was moving this bike. Yeah, I thought everybody was getting ready to leave here pretty soon, so.
That might be the introduction.
I see.
Riding today, or you just here for the meet?
I just got here, so I'll probably stay right to the meet because it's close to where I live anyways.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Yeah, is this your first time coming to the meet?
No, I don't come every other week.
Yeah.
But I think I've seen your bike here before.
I came here twice. This is my second time
you?
here.
I got you.
Yeah, the gloves.
I got you.
Okay.
Appreciate you, man. What's going on with you, man? How you doing, bro? Fine. How about it, NK?
Hey, nice to meet you.
Same to you, man.
Pleasure.
What's going on
Nice
with
to meet you, man.
All right, man.
Yeah, I've been here like twice. I came here when they were having the DMB ride out.
Oh, yeah.
And then there was there was one group ride we went over to like downtown Silver Spring.
Okay.
And then the first one, I think 3 times actually. The first one it was canceled because of rain.
Gotcha.
So yeah. Going to do the intros. I love the sound of them. R1. Sounds good, man.
Are you feeling mighty?
Yeah!
All right.
That's good stuff.
Great power and might comes responsibility. And you guys are all powerful and mighty and responsible, right? We leave in 2 groups. I'm gonna walk around. Once we finish this, I'm gonna hold up my finger saying 1. Group 1 should meet up, and they're gonna leave 5 minutes before group 2. Group 1 are the people who, God bless you, if you just wanna, do it how you do it. Group 2 is the staggered ride. We would prefer that people who are not necessarily that advanced or first-time group riders ride in group 2. All right, group 2 will be going speed limit, staggered, taking its time to go. Now, I just have to say a word of caution. It's the end of the season, and we're noticing that there's been a lot of accidents. It's not good. We don't want it to happen. I literally just visited Charles in the hospital, and it looked pretty bad. So, we're praying for everybody. We want to get home safely. So just think about it. The roads are getting colder, the mornings and the evenings. So just watch how you're riding. It's getting darker. We ride all year round, so we keep meeting here as long as it's over 55 degrees. So we'll always have the Wednesday meetup. We have, no cutting each other off. Maintain a safe braking distance between yourself and other riders, please. Don't cut off any cars. Also, don't block all the lanes of traffic. Allow cars to go by you if they're going by you. All right. All right. We're still feeling mighty.
Yeah.
That wasn't mighty. Are you feeling mighty?
Yeah.
All right. Let's ride. Group 1. Let's do it. Group 1.
I hope they know that 30 over is a crime now in the state of Maryland as of today. Okay, got a nice little lineup. 2 R1s in the front, RSV4 in the back. I think that's a 6R or 10R. Man, I love the sound of an R1. They're so small. You guys are heading now. To be honest with you guys, I'm probably not going to ride with these guys all the way through because it's getting pretty late already. And I'm not really too big on this is another Group 1 leave. Yes, it was. Zx6r. Those guys are. Yeah. Yeah.
The girl on the green one said she did 160. Dude in the jet black did 186.
Damn. That's fast.
He might have hit the 200 mark.
That's. Where do you even do that at? Are there even roads out here to do that? I don't even know.
Route 50.
Route 50?
I saw it 20 years ago. I was driving on a Honda Prelude stick shift. I was doing 100, and it was like 6-7 Hayabusas. All I saw was the lights, like
The streak of the lights, yeah. That's crazy, man.
Like the movie Akira.
Yeah?
It was like that.
Oh, these guys are squatted up. I guess I gotta get in line too.
What kind you got?
Got that Zx6r right there, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Ride carefully. Ride carefully.
For sure, for sure. Alright, well, looks like it's about time for me to head on out. I'm gonna follow these guys on to my exit and then I'm gonna let them go. It's a nice day to ride, so gotta get my rides in. Look at that slammed G37. Dare I say clapped? Is it clapped, dare I say? I don't like calling people's cars clapped, but do you know what I mean? Oh no, they're gonna leave me. They're gonna leave me. Dare I say? Damn, they're like real live, real deal leaving me. And it's because I can't get my quad lock on. Quad lock, don't get me stranded. Cool. Busa. That guy's got a fucking iPad on his Busa. So does that dude. What the heck? These guys got fucking full-on CarPlay systems on their bikes. That's funny as hell. Yeah, the group ride activities at nighttime, not really a big fan of the group ride activities at nighttime. I like to be able to see. So I'm definitely going to peel off from these guys. I'm sure they're going to ride safe. They're going to get to their destination. They have a lot of fun. I have a lot of fun with these guys, so just pray that these guys get to their destination safe and sound and have a good all night. You know something? I might as well just go with them to the place because it's close to my house anyways. Nah, I'm gonna go home. Goodbye, friends. Time to make it on home. Yeah. Oh yeah, we just came from a meet. Yeah. Is this Type R? Nice, man. Feels so awkward when I'm talking to people on this bike. I don't even know what to say. Guy goes, "You guys just come from a meet?" I go, he says something, and I just go, "Yeah." Like, I just defaulted to yeah. Those guys just zoomed off. I have no idea where they are, and I don't really care either. Hopefully they get home safe. I should make a video riding at night while I'm commentating. I've only had that one video where I was driving from National Harbor over here. I'm not really a fan of how this camera performed at nighttime. It's kind of some shit. I may have to invest in a DJI Action 5 or Insta360. I gotta like do my research and see which one is best for the nighttime recording, because my little Action 4 is not holding up. Also, I forgot to mention this in my last video, but they also have a tiered system for speeding cameras in the state of Maryland. So if you go past a 30 miles per hour camera like this one, like 10 or 12 to 15 over, it's $40. 16 to like 20 or 30 or something like that, it's like 70. And then I think like 40 plus is just like $400 straight up. Like, you're gonna pay $400 for speeding past. I think that one's a little bit more fair, to be honest with you, because if you're driving on a road like this road is a 30 miles per hour road, and you're driving like 70, that's like ridiculous, bro. Like, come on. Driving 70 down this road is kind of nuts, man. Like, there's no reason for you to be driving 70 miles per hour down this road. And you do, in fact, deserve a $400 fine if you do that shit. That highway shit, though, man, I don't know, man. I'm not a fan of the highway 30 over and you can go to jail. I just put a lot of emphasis on speed being the fatality factor, but the real thing is just people don't know how to drive. Maybe you should make it the driving test a lot harder for people. And do like Europe or like one of those Eastern countries where it's like if you fail your driver's test like one too many times, you are banned from driving for good. I feel like that's fair. 3 times and you're out, man. You get 3 times to pass this test. But anyways, I'm about to be home. Let me get this bike in this garage. This garage. Good old day. First day of October. Bikes came out. It's a good amount of bikes out too, guys. People ride their bikes in the fall, man. They like this hobby. It's a nice, cool night. It's not hot. It's cool. Kawasaki! Alright, well, that's pretty much it, guys. I went to my little nighttime group ride with those guys. Had my fun. It is time to go inside and relax, because I gotta get up and go to work tomorrow, man. That's really it. Yeah, see you.